Are you looking for a medium utility horsepower tractor that's going to outlive you? Are you looking for a tractor that you can pass on to your grandchildren one day? Well, my name is Ryan Clark. I'm the product marketing manager at ACO Africa, and behind me is the Massey Ferguson 200 Extra series. These tractors combined have more than 64 years of experience in the industry, and I'm going to tell you how they are planning to outlive you. On my right is the Massey Ferguson 240 with 45 horsepower and 240 Newton meters of torque. This is the perfect tractor to pass on to the baby in the house. The 268, 275 are the middle lines at 68 and 75 horsepower, available in two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive. Those are ideal for the middle children in the family. And then on my left is the Massey Ferguson 290, the flagship with 85 horsepower, additional hydraulic functions. That's the machine that can do it all. If you follow me, I'd love to show you more. Taking a closer look at our Massey Ferguson 240, it is by dimension the smallest in the line, and it's only available in two-wheel drive. What makes this tractor so special is its maneuverability, not only with its two-wheel drive axle, but the fact that it's the smallest in the line. Perfect for dairies, sheds, nurseries, even the odd orchard or two. The Massey Ferguson 240 fits in everywhere. With its robust mechanical design with a nice long wheelbase, we have it attached here to a Massey Ferguson 1840 baler. Yes, that's right folks, we baled with this tractor in this very field. Just goes to show that there's power in small packages. Behind me is the Massey Ferguson 268. This is the 4-cylinder naturally aspirated engine with 65 horsepower and 260 Newton meters of torque. What makes this 268 and all the 200s in this lineup special is its mechanical simplicity and reliability. It also has a class-leading manufacturer's warranty with all new machines purchased. Behind this tractor we fitted a Massey Ferguson Power Rake RK361. Perfect for picking up swaths, laying them down in the perfect windrow for maximum baling performance. On top of this attachment here, the Massey Ferguson 200 series is not only good for haymaking, it can do ground engagement, ploughing, planting, spraying, and a whole range of activities. Almost anything your farm can imagine, the 200 series can do. And now we're moving into the big frame tractors, the Massey Ferguson 275 and 290 respectively. These are the flagships of the bunch. They also produce the most power. To my right is the Massey Ferguson 275 with 75 horsepower and 270 Newton meters of torque. Much more powerful than the two smaller children, which makes this ideal for the eldest in the house as his inheritance package. The Massey Ferguson 275 is especially powerful in a four-wheel drive front axle. As you can see, the front axle is much bigger, fitted with lugs, which means the front axle is powered as well as the rear axle, giving you four-wheel drive capability for maximum traction on loose surfaces and stability under heavy loads. As you can see, not only more power and front axle, the Massey Ferguson 275 also produces more hydraulic capacity. As you can see, we fitted this unit with the Massey Ferguson Farmer Series mower, which requires an hydraulic spool valve function and a very powerful PTO to get this long grass cut. So overall, when it comes to getting the maximum performance and power, I would highly recommend a Massey Ferguson 275 or larger. And last but not least, the most powerful Massey Ferguson 200 Extra Series tractor is the Massey Ferguson 290. Powered by a 4.1 litre turbocharged engine, it's the most powerful of the bunch, meaning that's the one that's going to do the hard grunt and take you home. On top of that, we've got the Massey Ferguson Rake Power Tether Series, perfect for drying out your grass and spreading out the swath for maximum drying and getting perfect conditions on your swath. Now, in a nutshell, the Massey Ferguson 200 series is a very reliable platform made out of metal with simple to operate controls and more than 64 years of heritage. This is the tractor that's guaranteed to outlive you. If you're interested in maybe parts or getting yourself a brand new machine, please follow us on social media or drop us a visit on our webpage www.masseyferguson.com and make a Massey Ferguson 200 Extra series the last tractor you will ever own.